All right, let's go ahead and stop the wheel. I'm going to start over. I appreciate you coming in like this because when we were in the car before, like I said, you were like all over the wheel, just yanking and pulling and going all over the place, right? So, how you think you're doing now? Better? All right, so go ahead and get your hands on the wheel, and let's just do a right turn like we've been practicing. So we're going to do a right turn. So grab it at the top and pull it. Grab it at the top and pull it. Oh, yeah, just like that. And at the top. Just like that. Keep going. Looking good. Nice and smooth like that. And then look at the road, not the wheel. Keep going. Just little hand over hand pulls like that. That's why we call it pull the rope. See how smooth that is? That's very smooth. You got a good flow going there. Let's go to the left. Same thing. Just grab it at the top and pull it to the left.
My sister been taking me practicing.
Oh, yeah? That's good. Because we got to get you right. We got to get you through that DMV test. And that's good. That's all we're asked. That's all you need to do. Nice and smooth is right at the top. Right here. Grab at the top and pull it this way. At the top. Just like that. Keep going. Looking good. Keep going. Looking good. Just nice and smooth. A good little flow. All right. Let's go to the right again real quick. Grab it at the top. Looking good. Smooth, smooth, smooth. Grab it at the top. And just right here, like 12 to 3 on this side. That's good. All right, let's do it to the left again. Yeah, that's looking good. It's right here at the top. Keep going to the left. At the top, at the top. And then look straight like you're driving. Right here. It's too far over. Right here at the top. Right here. Just this top left corner. All right. Go ahead and stop. So we're going to grab it at the top right here. And just right here at the top. And get your thumb out the way. Just grab it. Put your thumb on top. Now just pull it. Grab it and pull it. Right at the top. Right here at the top. 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 That's good. That's excellent. That's what we're looking for. Good. All right, now let's go ahead and stop. And let's do it to the left. Same thing. You're doing fine. Top. Top right here. Right there. Right by my pointer. Right here. There you go. That's looking good. Right here at the top. Keep going. Top. Top. Right by my pointer. Come on, keep pulling. Right here. Right here. There you go. Right there. Perfect. Excellent. Excellent. All right. That's looking good. All right, you can stop. This time we're going to do the shuffle. And again, don't look here. Look out here like you're driving. And just little push-pulls on the side. There you go. Just a little short push on, just on the sides. On the sides. Down here on the sides. Little push-pulls. No, not at the top. Don't look at the wheel. There you go, just like that. Good. Just keep going. Keep going. Little push-pull, shuffles. Like I say, I call it milking the cow. Just push-pull on the side. All right, let's do it to the left. Good, good, right there. That's good. Don't go to the bottom. You're doing good. Keep it on the sides, just on the sides. Don't go above my thing. Keep going. Don't go above this. Put that hand lower. Keep going. Little shuffles. Little shuffles below my. No, it's too high. Keep going. Little shuffles. Only at the top. I mean on the sides. Not at the bottom. Just right here on the sides. All right, go to the right. down. It's like this. It's just, you were doing really good before. Just little push pulls like that on the side. Try it again. Come on, you got this. Just don't look at this. Look down straight ahead. There you go. That's better. All right, let's shuffle it to the left. There you go. Good. Oh, man, that's good. Keep going. Just like that. Don't change it. That's perfect. Very good. Very good. All right. And go back to the right. Keep your hands down, down, down. I know you're trying to sneak that hand up on me. Move this one up, too. Just a little bit. Up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. All right. That's getting better. All right. Grab it at the side. That's too tall. That's too high. Go ahead. Little bitty short push pull. Short ones. And don't go low either. Keep it down. Let's go to the left. All right, it's getting way better.